Fish. Nope.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now it's late summer, and if you tune into my channel at all, you would have seen me go out onto the creeks of Lake Ontario previously to do a bit of fishing. I caught some decent fish, pretty interesting species actually, so I encourage you to check the link down below. But at that time I had a very difficult time with the bugs, and the fire ants cut my trip short. So if you want to see the details of that, like I said, you can check the video down below. Today I'm back onto Lake Ontario today, hopefully at a location that doesn't have as much insects. So I'm going to do a bit of fishing, and today's challenge will be to do it in a 2-hour period. I only have 2 hours to fish. I'll be tossing some crankbaits, and I'll be tossing some spinner baits, the little Clio. So hopefully that will work, and hopefully I'll this time end up catching a salmon, because last time I ended up losing quite a few salmon. Stay tuned. Let me go out to that spot.
Bit of a late start. I don't have a lot of time to fish. I'll give it a shot. A little bit treacherous getting out here. Tossed this big guy out, this big shiny guy I took to Punta Cana. At that time I couldn't catch anything with it. Maybe today. Felt a bite. I did feel a bite. It was a thump. Come on, let's get the skunk off the board. It wasn't a small thump. It was not a small thump, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Man, midday fishing is tough. I don't need many, just not greedy. Maybe one nice one. Wonder if that's a salmon at all that thumped it. I do wonder. I've never caught a sheepshead before. I have no idea if there's sheepshead here. Could be. Lake Ontario does have sheepshead. Man, looks like a desert today though. Come on. Let's get some. Come on. Oh, there you go. There's a fish right there.
Okay, first hour hasn't been good at all. A couple of bites maybe. Saw a couple of fish jump, but I think I missed the morning bite, that's for sure. Gonna try the other side of my fishing spot, on the other side of the lighthouse. See if that'll produce. Pristine waters. Bit of a gap. Talk about getting caught between a rock and a hard place. Wow.
Okay, Nothing seems to be working, so I'm going to tie on this funky deeper diving crank. Just the wrong time of the day, I think. I have seen a few fish jump and whatnot, but middle of the day, hard to get them to commit. Oh, I got fish. I actually have a fish on. I was giving up hope. I was giving up hope. I was seriously giving up hope. Oh, I lost it. I lost it. Damn. Net wasn't ready. Too busy fussing with cameras. Lost fish. Ugh. Final hour. See if I can get a fish. So far, nothing. Saw a few fish jump, that's it. And a couple bites. Oh yeah, and a dead fish.
It's not very deep here, is it?
It's my first time here. 6 feet maybe.
It should be somewhere because boats go through here.
I think 6 to 8 feet. Fish. It's my first, my second bite only. All day. It's been tough. Second bite. It's been so quiet, man. But I see them all over. I took it on I'm taking this on Rapala. Not the spoon. I worked the spoon all morning. Where? That's good. You might spool me out, man. You're spooling me out. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. I don't have the best line on here. I lost a really small one earlier. Thanks, bro. You got a net there?
I do not have a big net.
I got a net here, but I'll yeah, I think I can manage if I bring him close.
I'm too lazy to bring my own net.
Count on people like me.
Usually I bring it like this time I did it because like it's bluebird sky.
Bro, man, it's such a hard day today for me.
Is that mono?
Braid with some leader.
How many pound braid is that?
20.
20, that's plenty.
But the leader is only 15 maybe. A little light.
I use 10 pound leader.
Oh, okay.
And I landed them on 10 pound braid too.
I see. There he is.
That's quiet here.
Okie dokie. Is that shinny? No. Yeah, I appreciate your help, man. Bro, I grinded all day, man. I can't, like, I was gonna give up like 3-4 times. Your first, how many times you gone out this year?
3-4 times, like 3-4 times.
You think it's a Chinook?
To be honest, I'm usually smaller ones are cold.
Oh, there's a lamprey on her. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, you talking?
Oh, with a lamprey. Check him out, man. Wow. You mind to get a photo for me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I got this Chinook, grinded all day, 4 hours, finally got a fish, and I'm gonna release it now. Whew. Okay, and that concludes today's video. Today I want to go and do some fishing where there were no fire ants, because the time before when I went out, I had a lot of fire ant bites that ended my trip prematurely. I also at that time lost quite a few salmon because I simply didn't have the right gear. So today I want to pick a place with no fire ants. I want to catch salmon, and so I went out to somewhere in Lake Ontario, and I got started kind of late, around 10 o'clock, and I didn't have a big window, about 2-hour window to catch my fish. In the beginning, just lots of casts. I tried everything. I tried spinner, I tried crankbaits, to no avail. I hooked up onto a fish, but I lost it because I was too busy fussing with my net and my camera, and I can't tell you how many times I've lost fish that way doing YouTube, and I thought that was it. I ended up pushing way past my time limit, and at the end, before my absolute limit of 4 hours was up, I ended up catching a Chinook. It was very interesting catch. Not only was it a nice fish, not only did it satisfy my wants to catch a salmon, but also I caught 2 fish at once, and that only marks the second time I've done something like that. The last time I did that was in Punta Cana. And so it's bittersweet, you know. It was a very, very tough bite, but in the end, I accomplished the goal of not getting bitten by fire ants. And I also caught the salmon that I was targeting. And so not bad. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope to bring you more stuff in the not too distant future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.